Now we need to have a look on our chart or beacon to beacon to see our intended trip. As we look at our beacon to beacon, we can see a number of red lines showing us the safest route to and from certain locations in Moreton Bay, marking the deepest water to travel in. We see Scarborough Harbour, that's our departure point. And we see the shipwreck symbols on Moreton Island, which is our intended destination. Now we need to take note of any reference points that we can refer to on our trip to confirm our correct course as we travel across the bay. We see a red buoy, then a red beacon, then another red buoy which we need to pass on our port side to stay on course. We should then be looking for a green beacon which we need to keep on our starboard side. After that we should be lining up the leads at Tangalooma above the beach line to keep us in our deep water channel as we travel into the beach and turn to port running parallel to the beach, ending up at our destination, the Tangalooma Wrecks. We have now studied our route and we need to measure the distance of the trip. Every chart of the world will have a latitude scale on the sides of the chart and a longitude scale on the top and bottom of the chart. We always measure our distance of the trip on the latitude scale, which is the sides of the chart. The distance on the chart is measured in nautical miles. 1 nautical mile is 1,852 metres, or about 1.8 kilometres. We measure our speeds in knots, which is equal to 1 nautical mile per hour. The same as kilometres per hour on our car speedo is measuring kilometres travelled in 1 hour. If we look closely at our latitude scale, we see small divisions down the side, and each are 1 minute of latitude, which is equal to the distance of 1 nautical mile. So we use the minutes of latitude as our scale to measure our trip with a simple piece of string. We hold one end of the string on our departure point and carefully lay it along our intended trip, taking note and pinching the string at our destination point. We then transfer the string to the latitude scale and simply count up the nautical miles to calculate our trip distance, which we get 18 nautical miles for this intended trip.